Welcome to our channel. Today, we continue our journey through Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. If you missed the previous video on chapters 27 and 28, be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive back into 19th century England and high society. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. In chapter 29, the Bennet family learns the outcome of Mr. Gardiner's mission to find Lydia and Wickham. Mr. Gardiner returns to Longbourn and shares the news with the family that Lydia and Wickham have agreed to marry. Mrs. Bennet is ecstatic and cannot contain her joy, while Mr. Bennet is relieved that the matter has been settled. However, Elizabeth is more reserved in her response and is concerned about the implications of the marriage for the family's reputation. Meanwhile, Jane and Bingley enjoy each other's company, strengthening their relationship. Mrs. Bennet tries to push for a marriage between the two, but Elizabeth believes that Jane should not be rushed into marriage. At the same time, Mr. Darcy is still in the area and has yet to leave for London. As a result, Elizabeth begins to feel more uncomfortable around him, as she is unsure of his feelings toward her after his proposal and subsequent rejection. The chapter ends with the family discussing the past few weeks' events and the changes in their lives. Chapter 30, The Consequence of Lydia's Marriage, deals with the aftermath of Lydia's marriage to Mr. Wickham. Mr. Bennet is still concerned with the consequences that Lydia's marriage will bring to the family's reputation and the prospects of his other daughters. Mrs. Bennet is overjoyed that Lydia has secured a husband, while Jane and Elizabeth are more concerned about how the marriage has taken place and the family's reputation. Mr. Darcy is revealed to have played a crucial role in helping to arrange the marriage and resolve the situation. Elizabeth is grateful for his help but is still wary of his actions and motives. She feels mixed emotions towards him and cannot fully comprehend the changes. In this chapter, Austen emphasizes the importance of reputation and marriage in Regency-era society and the consequences that can arise from hasty and impulsive decisions. In addition, the chapter reinforces the themes of class, pride, and prejudice and their impact on the characters' lives. Thank you for joining us for this summary of Pride and Prejudice, chapters 29 and 30. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this beloved classic. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you need a copy of the book, check the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy all over again. See you in our next video.